1, 2, 3.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you a new way on how you can style your hair, especially on a bad hair day. Getting straight into the video, we are going to start with what we need. A comb, of course. An Afro comb is best. Any kind of styling gel. I'm going to use the Nice and Lovely. Water. This is just plain water in a spray bottle. This strand of hair, I've just taken a normal braid, the long one, and taken a strand out of it. And the last thing and most important one is this Afro baby weave. So we're going obviously to need more than this, and we will see as we get into the video.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you out, cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down better. Cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side like all the time.
So this is like 5 or 10 minutes later, and we are going to untie this. There we go. So sleek, and everything is in place. And now this is where we get into the complex part. So here is my Afro baby weave. I will leave the link in the description. Now it comes in a single wave, but because of volume, I am going to use it as a double. See, more volume. First, we will take this weave, and measure the length of my head from here to here. So up until here, I'm going to take my scissors and cut like that. For this part, we are going to need a lot of bobby pins. Now that we've cut it, just where my hair has ended, and secure. This other side and secure like that. So this is the first.
We tried too many times. Ooh, you got me feeling cool. Ooh, you got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like I? Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. Heartbreaks and heartaches. We tried too many times. No one knew you like I. Wonder why you want me by your side, like all the time. You want my love all night, telling me lies. Maybe stop telling me lies. You prey on my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I'll get you up, 'cause I just don't want you. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You had to let me go. Yellow. You misbehaving. You must have known me. You make me crazy. Kinda like Johnny.
And now this is where we go in with our strand of hair. We are going to tie a ribbon here to secure this part. So this long side is the side we are going to plait.
You got me feeling blue. Something about you so see-through. Something just ain't right by you. Yeah, yeah. Can I do you like I? You like I? Can I do you like
I have plaited the whole strand. Make sure that the end is secure so that it doesn't come undone. So the purpose of this is to hide this front part where the wig can be seen. You can clearly see this distinguished line between the weave and my hair. So this is where this strand comes in, just to hide that, like that. Like that. Make sure you hide this front part so that it's not seen. And to secure the strand, again go in with bobby pins. Make sure they are also not as visible.
Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow.
And now for the last part, I'm going to use the olive oil sheen spray, or this same olive oil. It's just purely the same depending on which you have. It gives it this shiny look. So this is the final look.
something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something else me tired. You might break my heart.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you in my next. Bye.
I need you to put a rush up on it like August. Get a ticket for me, I got it.